Hi, this is Paul Fisher, and I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to step-by-step get your free savings account in the cryptocurrency of the Billion Coin. Okay, so when you go on the link, click on the link, this will be the site that will pull up, and you'll hear the phone ringing. Let me show you. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on the answer button, and that will take you to this page. Okay, you just scroll down and you'll hear Santa. He'll be talking all these words here. So you just click on the Give Me My Gift Now. That will take you to this page, and you can get more information, but I'd go do that later. I'd get your account set up as soon as possible. So go ahead and click on Let's Go to Step 1. Okay, there's 2 steps, and it's important. Let me explain. So that pulls up this page, and this has the registration form. And this is the only information you need. You need a person's name, okay, a username that you can make up, an email address where you can receive 2 validation emails, 2 of them. One will be for your wallet, and you'll validate that and sign in, and it will actually put the cash in that account, which is 50,000 Kringles. It's the 14th of September, so it's worth about $159. Goes up 2% every day. Okay, so the other email that you'll get and need to validate will be for this site. Okay, this will be your site that you'll have, and you can, it's got a marketing link on there that you can use to turn around and give this gift out to your friends and family. Okay, so if you have any questions on that, just private message me on Facebook. Okay, so to give you an idea of how this works, I'm just going to go ahead and open up an account for a friend of mine and put his name in. I usually use the same name as a username. For the email address, since I'm doing this for him, I'm going to use a email address service that transfers it over to my main email address, so that way I get the validation emails and I make sure that they're validated, and I go through and make sure that their wallet and back office is set up, and then I write everything down, and then I could send it to them later. Okay, and then you just select the country that you're in, you make up a password, you confirm it, you click on I'm Not a Robot, and then you go down here and click this blue button, Submit. And another page will show up. So let me go ahead and fill that out. Okay, a lot of times, but not very often, when you click on this, click this button here, it will pull up something that says something like this: select all squares that match the label wheel. Okay, so there's obviously a wheel there, and I really don't see any other wheels, so I'm going to hit next. It says street signs. Click on every photo that has a street sign in it. I don't know if this is part of the sign or not. Could be just an overpass, so I'm going to click verify. That was good enough. As long as you get that green check and you're ready to move on. You'll notice up here on the email, this is the email service I use that transfers to me. So that way I get the individual's information. There are 2 emails, and I can go ahead and validate everything. And then of course I write down all the rest so I can pass it on to them. Okay, so it's 33 mail if you want to use it. It's a free service. Okay, so now I'm going to hit the Submit button. And then you can see it says processing. Just hang on a few seconds while it does that, because it's literally creating and it says submitted. Okay, it's creating your wallet. Okay, and now this is the second step, okay? And that second step is to validate those two emails. Extremely important. Okay, so it just says right here, you're almost done, blah, blah, blah. Now it's time to verify your email address. Go and do that. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, when I go back and look at the email, the first one is from this address here. Okay, and it's for the wallet. So it will have a password, and I just go ahead and copy that. And I will change the password once I set this up. Okay, then after you copy the password, this is the link you're going to want to click on, confirm my account. So you click this link, and that will take you to your brand new wallet. Okay, so you're going to need to sign in. So you would use the email that you used when you registered. Okay, and it will use the password that you copied. Okay, so I'm just going to paste it in there from the email, and I'm going to click on I'm not a robot again. Okay, once I get that green arrow, okay, any square that's got a car in it, or a vehicle in it. Okay, it's that simple. Vehicles, there's one. You can see a little bit here and here. Verify, get that green check, and then hit the sign in button. Now, the first page it pulls up is going to ask you for a security question. Go ahead and click here, and that will drop down your choices, okay? You'll need to pick a choice. So I'm going to pick this first one. What city or town did you grow up? Okay. And hit the save button. And then it will go ahead and ask me for that answer again. Okay, so I put that in there and I save it. Now it will take me straight to my wallet. Okay, that's the amount in euros, 133 euros. If I want to change it to find out how much it's worth in US dollars, I just go down here to US dollars, click on that. Okay, so today it's worth $158.77. Okay, so now while I'm in here, I'm going to go up to Terry's link here, and I'm going to click on this because there's a little arrow there. It will drop down, and I'm going to want to go into the profile to change the password. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that original password I got from the email, and then I'm going to change it to the one that I already made for this person when I was registering them. See? So I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to confirm it by putting it in again. Okay, and then I'm going to hit update. Okay, you have updated your account successfully. I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. And now that I'm logged out, it says signed out successfully. I'm going to go back to my Gmail and open up that second letter. Okay, here's the second letter. It's from the billioncoin.info. Okay, and it's for Terry. And at the bottom here it gives the name, Terry Rodriguez, and it says click here to activate the account. That's all you need. There's no password because you actually made a password when you registered for that. That was the first thing you did. Okay, so all you need to do is click this, which I just did, and it will take you to your own Kringle.cash website. And when you'll see this, you'll just click here to log in. Okay, and this page will pop up, and you'll put the username in, your username, and the password that you created. And sign in. Okay, you'll see your name up here at the top. Over here, if you click on marketing, you'll see referral link. You click that on, you'll see your own referral link. You'll use this. You can copy and paste it to a document. Use that when you're giving out the gift to other people. It's a free gift, okay? This is all membership-based value. So the more members we have, the more valuable this coin gets, and the more power we have to use it all over the world. Okay, so or you can, use this link yourself to sign up people yourself, doing what I just did using a forwarding email address type system. Okay, but what you want to do is go down to profile and click on profile and hit complete profile. Okay, that will pull up your profile page. Okay, now you could put your Facebook link in here, and I could go ahead and find, I'm pretty sure she's got a Facebook, so hang on a second, let me find it. Okay, I went ahead and found her on Facebook, so I'm going to put her link in there, and then I'm going to put non-applicable to the rest of this. They want something in each of these spaces, so at least put NA. Okay, yes, this person is in the United States. I could put a picture in there later. Okay, so I'm going to skip down. It gives you 3 choices here, 3 status options. The first one is I just want to sit back and watch my gifts grow. Okay, most of those, that's what I do. I'll update that. The other 2 is I have my own way to build inside the community, and I'm not open to changing that. The third one is I want to follow the proven Kringle cash system to create wealth, and I will follow all the instructions here and on Brian's updates. That's the one that I picked simply because I am a real believer in this, and I am working towards giving this gift out to everybody I know. I think it's the greatest thing I could do for people. Here's Brian's updates. It shows you how to do that if you click on that. Okay, so that's all that is. But a lot of people, you can give them to them and not even tell them until it really happens, until, it gets up there worth some money, and we're able to use it, and then you can go ahead and give it to them. Most of them will just be thrilled that you did that for them. So most of the time you could just click 1 if you're doing it for someone else. If you really want to work and give it away to others, then you'd hit number 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the update. It says that I updated it successfully. Just give it a couple seconds, let the site blink. Okay, and we're done. And I can go up here and just log out. Okay, now we are currently signing up between 15,000 and 20,000 people a day, giving out these free gifts. This free $158 and some cents. That grows 2% a day, not 2% a year, folks. 2% a day. That's not 2% a month. It's 2% a day. Okay, so it doubles. That $158 will double in 36 days. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.